Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Sentry mode and some of the features I'd like to see in the future, so if you're interested, stay tuned. To start this off, I'd like to say that Sentry mode is great, and Elon did a great job of responding to this really quick, and that's probably because of all the third window break-ins here in the Bay Area. As you've probably seen online, there are numerous videos of Sentry mode catching shady people doing shady things to Model 3s. I know that Sentry mode is pretty new, but there are a bunch of improvements that I'd like to see going forward. Being able to see the clips on scene would be critical, especially if there's some sort of crime and you need to show the police right away. There is a workaround for this right now, and that's the iXpand flash drive from SanDisk, which you can plug straight into your iPhone if you want to view the clips directly from your iPhone. But even with that workaround, you still have to look through all the files on your phone. So if we back up just a little bit, the first mode is alert mode, and basically that just tells you when someone got too close to the car, kind of like popping the bubble for the Model 3. I recently had Sentry mode on, and when I got back to the car, it told me that there were a bunch of events, which basically means there are a bunch of alerts that happened while I was away from the car. This isn't a critical stage, so you don't get notifications on your phone, just what you see on the car's screen. You only get notifications on your phone during alarm mode, which is basically when there's an impact to the car, like breaking a window. For alert mode though, it'd be nice if it told you more information on the screen rather than just saying you have a bunch of events, because that doesn't really tell you anything, and it'd be nice if you could see where those events happened. And this will also help when you get back to your computer. That way you know where the events are instead of just looking through a sea of data and files. So this would be nice. That way you don't have to just keep looking endlessly through a lot of these files and hope you find what you're looking for. So it could take you quite a while to look through all the files. So an example would be, let's say you had Sentry mode on for 10 minutes. There's 3 cameras. Each camera records in 1-minute segments. So 3 cameras times 10 minutes is 3 and 10 is 30, so 30 minutes. And then times the 3 cameras, that means you have 30 files that you have to look through. There was some talk online that there was a trick that the event is the last file in each folder, but I didn't find that plausible because my events that I think I found, were all over the place. And I'm not even 100% sure if these are the events, but I think they are because there was a couple people that walked by, so I'd assume that's when the events happened. Either that, or when this car was backing out of its spot, and maybe the car thought that the other car was too close for comfort. It would be nice to have a little asterisk or something next to the file so you know that's what the car was thinking. Another nice to have would be if the backup camera was also included in Sentry mode. That way you'd get a full picture of your car if something were to happen. And I get that the repeaters cover most of the back, but it's not all of the back because it's not directly behind you. And same goes for the dash cam footage as well. It'd be nice if the backup camera was included in the dash cam footage. That way you can get a full picture of what happened behind you if it's needed. I believe the backup camera is included in the AP software, so assuming that, it shouldn't be too hard to code the backup camera as part of the dash cam and Sentry mode. And I'm sure it'll happen at some point, but it'd just be nice to have sooner than later. That way you get the full protection of the cameras. If you had a Sentry mode wish list, what would you like to be implemented? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.